Welcome, awesome people! Let's unlock the true potential of your online business. The digital marketing landscape is booming, offering endless opportunities for making money and achieving passive income. With innovative marketing tools, you can create and sell digital products and services while working from home on your terms. Automating tasks like keyword research, audience targeting, and competitor analysis has never been easier. And speaking about tools, GoLogin, the best browser for multi-accounting, is a must-have for managing multiple profiles across platforms, streamlining your workflow, and maximizing efficiency. Statistics reveal that businesses using these tools see up to 40% faster growth. Whether you're scaling an e-commerce store or launching an online service, mastering the art of digital marketing ensures you stay ahead of the curve. Dive in, adapt smart strategies, and watch your efforts turn into profits. The digital world is yours to conquer. So, check out the description for more. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and follow, and see you in the next video.